Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. This is a 2004 Sundowner Sunlight 777. This is the warm blood size 2-horse straight load gooseneck. This trailer is white in color with the Sundowner graphics. It does have diamond plate across the nose. It does have a spare. It does have two full escape doors. So let me kind of step around this lovely dumpster. So 2 full escape doors. It does have a walk-through door to the dressing room. It has full running boards. Minimal damage. I can't really find anything wrong. Scratches, dents. I can't really find anything wrong with this trailer. It's in excellent shape. It has a ramp and Dutch doors with windows. This is a warm blood size. So when I say that, this horse box is big. It's 6'9" wide, 7'6" tall, and it's very big and open in here. 2 roof vents, sliders on the rear. Again, it does have the windows in the Dutch doors in the back. Has sliders on the escape doors. It's got the removable head divider. It's got the chest and butt bars with padding. Padding on the walls and on the divider, all in great shape, no issues. I'm gonna go out this escape door. Actually, nope, I'm gonna turn back. Show you the walk-through door. So it's got a walk-through door into the dressing room. Escape doors. As I said, it has 2 full escape doors. This trailer does have a dressing room. The dressing room is carpeted and in excellent shape. No issues. It is fully lined and insulated dressing room. So fully lined and insulated. Makes it nice. Actually, I'm going to say the ceiling is just insulated. So retract that. Ceiling is insulated, which still makes it nice. Slider windows up in the nose. Walk-through door, bridal hooks. It's got a swing saddle rack that does swing if you wanted it to. Carpeted. So, 2004 Sundowner, 2-horse straight load, warm blood size Sundowner, gooseneck, 7'6" tall, 6'9" wide. This one is excellent shape. This is Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. Pricing, any more information about this trailer will be on the carolinatrailersales.com website. Any other questions, you're welcome to text me at 828-773-4500. Thanks so much.